Okay, we're on problem number 6 now, and just writing it down, 2x squared. Let's see, plus 6x plus 4. Again, if it were me, what I would look at is the GCF is 2. And what do you get over there? You get x squared plus 3x plus 2. This becomes substantially easier for me to deal with. And the reason for that, there really is no choice in the trying. It has to be x and x if it's to work, and it's got to be 2 and 1 if it's to work. I'm noticing it works almost immediately. What do you get there? X squared, 2 and 1 is 3x, and you do get plus 2. So I'm going to say trial and error, and just a little bit of thinking goes a long way. Now, if you looked at this thing and you say, I don't care what you say, I'm going to do the AC method every single time, you could do that. You get the same answer, of course. What's the A? The A is 2. What's the B? The B is 6. What's the C? The C is 4. All right? What do you write down? A times C. It's called the AC rule because of this reason here. What's A times C is 8. You need to find two numbers that multiply together to give you 8, but those same two numbers must add together to 6. Well, that seems pretty simple. It's just 2 and 4. And why is that? 2 times 4 is 8, and 2 plus 4 is 6. Let me go over here. This is going to be 2x squared. Let's see, whether you use 2 or 4 doesn't much matter. I'll put down 2x plus 4x. 2x and 4x is 6x, so I haven't changed anything. What I'm going to do now, factor. This is 2. What do you get? X squared. Whoops, 2x. You get, let me erase. I misspoke. You get 2x common. Those two terms over there gives me x plus 1. What comes out over here? 4. What do you get there? X plus 1. Again, if you're not thinking, you might just simply say, oh, x plus 1 is a common factor. But actually, the common factor is 2 and then x plus 1. Let me write that down for you. What are you left off with? Well, in the first one, I want to point out you factor the 2 out and you factor an x plus 1 out. So what are you left off with? An x. And the second one you factor out an x plus 1 and a 2. Well, you took the 2 from 4, so what's left over? 2. And this would be the answer over here if you're using the AC method. Now, again, are you getting the same answer? Of course you're getting the same answer. Right now, if you rearrange this, and you said I did a little differently than you did, you can get the same answer, by the way. All roads lead to the same answer, by the way. If I did this over here, factor out from the first two terms, you would get 2x. That would give you x plus 2. From the second two terms, factor out an x. What do you get over there? X plus 2. What do you see over there? Well, what comes out is a 2 and an x plus 2. We're left off with an x plus 1. Again, are we getting the same answer? We are. The factors are a little jumbled up, by the way, but multiplications are commutative. It doesn't matter what order they're in. All right, but we get 2, a factor of 2, we get a factor of x plus 2, and a factor of x plus 1. Thank you.